Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Princess Peach from the Super Mario movie. So let's get started. To draw this cute princess, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, I'm going to come inside to make them draw so cute eyes of two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now I have my eyes in. Let's come over here and spruce them up with some lashes. So let's say about nice long lashes, maybe 3 of them. One more, and let's see here, let's put one more up here just to spruce them up. So same thing here. Maybe one centered one that's longer and 2 shorter ones. There. Then let's come above her eye, about right here. And we're just going to draw a soft curve over her eye for her brows. And same thing right across, about right here. Soft curve. There. Then let's draw a big, no, actually a small sweet smile. So let's say about right here. Just going to go up slightly and cap it off. She has a tiny mouth, right? Okay, so then from there, now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame her face. So we're going to come to the top of her eye, come out really close to these lashes. And I'm going to give myself a point. And from there, we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U. But I'm just going to try to give it a little bit more angle. So let's say about right here, we're going to angle it a little bit more. And then down. Angle a little bit more. So instead of straight down, we're going to angle a little bit more as we come down. And let's say about here, the center, I'm going to bring it down to about right here for her chin. So then from there, I'm going to turn my body, make it a little bit easier. I'm going to try to give her a pointier chin to that point. And same thing over here. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do to make this, draw this curve. There. Okay, so now that I have that, see this side is a little bit rounder, and just come in here and make it a little bit pointier. There, just bring it in. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's bring this curve up to her brow. I'm just going to continue it all the way to her brow. Then from there, let's see here, we need to draw her bangs. So I'm going to give myself a point right here in between her brow. And with this point, I'm going to, let's see here, we need to go kind of like drawing an M. So let's go up here. We're going to find this point and we're going to go up with a curve. Then we're going to bring it down. Slight curve, and then we're going to do the same thing. So kind of like the center of the eye. We're going to go up once again, and then bring it down. There. So we're just creating this shape right here. Then from there, we can go ahead and finish up this hair right here. So we're going to basically kind of be drawing like a heart shape for this center. So we want it nice and full. So let's find my center. Let's just say about, just eyeball it about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm just going to give a small dip, go around and connect. So same thing here. It's kind of like a heart shape almost. This little dip in the center, and then we're just going to curve and bring it in right in the center. So just when you're drawing this part, just make an adjustment as you go. So maybe you need to make it higher or lower. Then from there, let's come about right here, and we're going to draw the side of her hair. So we're going to come down with a curve, bring it out, and then we bring it in, and this is going to come out nice and low and out. So you can always adjust this curve right here. So come out, and then let's continue it. We're just going to flare this part out and then bring it in. There, and this part kind of goes in. So there's kind of two layers. Okay, so there. Make some adjustments as you go. Okay, so same thing over here. So now that you have the other side, it's a little bit easier. So we're going to go down just like the other side, about right there. Come in. And once again, this is going to curve out. And connect to the side of her hair. It looks really weird right now, right? Okay, so let's about high. Maybe make it a little bit higher. So like I said, just adjust it as you go. So like I need to make it a little bit higher. There. So then from there, let's go ahead and let's give her some of the hair on her side, on the side of her face. We're going to bring a curve down, thicken it up. And same thing here. And thicken it up. Very important strand. And then we're going to tuck in the indication of her ear. Just draw a curve. And then right in this spot, we're going to add kind of like part of a circle for her earrings. So same thing here. Part of her ear. And then the circle for her earrings. There. And then you can come, well, we'll finish the rest of her hair later. Let's come back up, and we need to draw the crown. So if you have enough space, find your center, go up just a little bit, let's say about right here. And we're just going to bring angle down. Just going to simplify this crown. Go right there. And then just angle it out. And bring it in. So same thing on this side. Out and in for her crown. And then for some details, you can just come right here for a jewel. And the center. So I'm just going to draw an oval right here in the center. And an inside part. So you can do that too here. Do as light as I can. Okay, there. So we have her crown in. So now let's draw her outfit. So we're going to come to the center of her chin area and give her a little neck right in the center. And then she has this little collar. So we're going to come about right here and just zigzag our way across. So maybe like 4 zigzags. And then connect it. There. And then let's come out, and we're going to pop this out for her shoulders. About right here. And then to simplify it, let's just bring this down. So we're just going to angle this down. Same thing here. And about right there. Now that we're leveled, we're just going to go ahead and connect it in the center. There. And now we have that. Let's go ahead and we're going to, everything's going to, for her skirt, we're going to pop it out. But instead of drawing a smooth curve, this part right here, let's just give it a little bit of a wobble as we come down. to about right here, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. There. So same thing here. So as you come down, just wobble, just like the other side, and connect with a curve right about there. Then we can continue. Just imagine you're still coming down, come in a little bit, and we're just going to continue her skirt all the way down. Nice full skirt. So let's just bring it down. Then as we come to about right here, let's flare it out a little bit. And now about the same level, we can go ahead and connect it. So I'm just going to wobble my way across. There. With the center being a little bit lower. Then we can just come here and follow that curve you just made for a little detail. All the way across. There. Okay, so now let's go back and draw the her shoulder. So let's come right here. We're going to poof it out for these princess sleeves. And about right here, bring it in, connect it. Now a little part right here, and then her arms are just going to be to the side. So we're just going to come right about here, and totally simplifying this. So let's just bring this down, and then we can just tuck her arms in about right there, just to simplify everything. So same thing here, poof them out, and about right here, just like the other side. Add a little sleeve right there. Sure, this side looks like it needs to be a little bit poofier. And then once again, just gonna curve and bring this down. So to about right here. So curve it in a little bit and then come out and in for her hand. And then she has some sleeves. So right here for a detail, just draw a little V right there. And let's see here, you can put in a little curve right here. And another detail, let's come right about here. Just draw a line coming down, and then in the center, we're going to draw an oval. And since she's my Draw So Cute Princess Peach, I'm going to make it a heart right here. But if you don't want that, just draw another oval for her jewel. I'll put a heart right there. And then for some more details, come about right here. Just draw some crease lines. And even in her skirt, there's a lot of, so you can do this when you're coloring, so it's not such like a harsh black line. But I just wanted to show you, get an idea, to give it some detail. Okay, and let's see here. That is pretty much it for her dress. So now to draw her rest of her hair. So let's come back right about here where her ear is, really close. And we're just going to draw one curve, tuck it in, and continuing it. So about right here, just curve it in and tuck it in. So same thing here, really close to her ear. Just going to come about right there. Curve out and in, and just like the other side, about right there and in. There. And that is pretty much it for this newer version of Princess Peach from the Super Mario Brothers movie, and I really hope you love this drawing just as much as the original Princess Peach that I did. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.